Welcome to Canvas, your go-to platform to support your learning at UNC Pembroke. Canvas is more than just a learning management system. It's a comprehensive digital environment that facilitates seamless learning. In this video, we'll explore how to navigate the Canvas dashboard and then dive into a sample course, unlocking the powerful tools that can enhance your learning experience. If you're watching this video, you're probably new to Canvas at the University of North Carolina at Pembroke. To access Canvas at UNCP, let's start at the UNCP homepage. Find the Quick Links button. When you click the Quick Links, it opens a drop-down menu. This menu has links to many useful resources at UNCP, including Canvas. Find Canvas and click on it. After you click the link, you will go to UNCP's login portal for Canvas. Here, you'll enter your UNCP username and password. If you have any trouble logging in, use the link on this page to get help. After you enter your username, you'll be asked to verify your identity using the two-factor authentication. Usually, this is confirmed via text message, phone, or using the Microsoft Authenticator. Once your identity is confirmed, you will proceed to Canvas. The first time you visit Canvas, you will need to agree to the terms of a user agreement, just like you do in any new software. Once logged in, you'll arrive at the Canvas dashboard, your personalized gateway to all your courses. On this page, you will see all the courses that you can access. Let's explore the Canvas dashboard. The dashboard serves as your central hub where you can view all your courses, check your to-do list, and see recent feedback from instructors. The global navigation menu on the left is key. It connects you to critical areas on the platform, such as your courses, calendar, and inbox. You have control of how the dashboard looks for you. Customization is essential to making Canvas work for you. Rearranging your course cards is as simple as dragging and dropping, helping you prioritize your classes. Let's dive into a sample course. Welcome to the course homepage. This is the starting point for each course in Canvas. Here, you'll find announcements from your instructor, the course syllabus outlining key objectives, and the essential resources such as module or assignments. Engaging with this page regularly is crucial for staying informed about deadlines and important updates. On the left, you'll see the course navigation menu. This menu provides access to all course content. Here, you can access modules, which include the material for each week in your course, assignments, which you'll need to complete and submit for grades and feedback, discussions, where you'll respond to learning tasks and interact with others in the course, and grades, where you can see how you did on your assignments. Each section is interconnected, allowing for seamless transition between tasks. Canvas is built to enhance collaboration and communication, ensuring you have everything you need to succeed in one centralized location. Your course is organized into modules. Think of them as your units that break down complex topics into manageable lessons, making it easier for you to follow along. Simply click on a module to access lessons, readings, and assignments. Canvas's structure supports the various media types, so you may encounter quizzes, videos, and interactive content, enriching your learning experience. To track your academic progress, navigate the assignments section. Here you will find a list of upcoming assignments and their due dates. Canvas keeps this information updated, providing alerts for approaching deadlines. To check your performance, click on the grades in the course navigation menu. The gradebook provides insight into your academic standing, reflecting your efforts throughout the course. Communication is a key feature of Canvas. Utilize the inbox to send messages directly to your instructors or classmates. Additionally, the discussion sections allow you to engage with your peers on course topics, enhancing your understanding through shared insights. Canvas's infrastructure supports real-time updates, so you'll always be aware of new messages or replies. And that's a quick tour of Canvas. Take time to explore its features, customize your dashboard, and fully engage with your courses. Your success in this digital learning environment is just a few clicks away. Happy learning! For more tips and support, visit uncp.edu/doit or reach out to your instructor with any questions. Thank you for watching.